My name is Dr. Michael Steffan, and I'm a general dentist in Tulsa, Oklahoma. What you're going to see is the hygiene class from TCC here going to be using the new Shining 3D intraoral scanner. Now, one of the things a lot of people, we all know that the scanner is used for scanning for crowns or orthotics or night guards. In our practice, we have several scanners in each one of the rooms so that we can utilize it just in everyday use, meaning that we check occlusion, we use it for diagnosis. So we're going to be showing the hygienists how they can take this scanner and use it to their benefit as far as doing diagnosis and maybe even just doing checking occlusion or finding troubled spots. But again, there's just so many uses for the scanner opposed to just using it for crown and bridge, implants, and night guards. Like they say, a picture's worth 1,000 words. This really helps when we are trying to tell a patient what they need.